In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to send an email on Go High Level Full 2024 Guide. We'll start right inside your Go High Level workspace. First, sign in and make sure you're working in the correct sub-account. This matters because each sub-account has its own contacts and settings, and you want the email to be logged in the right place. Once you're in the right spot, look to the left sidebar and click Contacts. This opens your list of people. Find and open the specific contact you want to email. Sending from the contact record ensures the message is one-to-one and that all activity is tracked in their timeline. Inside the contact's profile, switch to the Email tab. This view is dedicated to your email conversation history with that contact. Click New Email to start composing. You'll see fields for the subject and the message body. Keep your subject short, clear, and relevant, since that's what determines whether your contact opens the email. In the message area, write your content in a friendly, straightforward tone. If you want to personalize your note, insert variables like #contact.firstname so the message feels tailored to the recipient. You can also add images and links. When adding images, keep file sizes reasonable so the email loads quickly. For links, use clear, descriptive text so recipients know exactly what they're clicking, and double check that URLs are correct. When your email looks good, choose how you want it to go out. If the timing is right, select Send Now to deliver immediately. If it's better to reach the contact at a later date or during business hours, pick the schedule option and set the exact time. Scheduling is especially helpful when you're working across time zones or planning follow-ups. After you've selected your send option, go ahead and click Send. Go High Level will process your choice, and the message will appear in the contact's activity timeline. That timeline is your single source of truth for this contact. It records the email you just sent, and if you scheduled it, you'll see it listed with the time you selected. This makes it easy to confirm that everything is on track and to keep your communication history organized. That's all there is to it. You logged in and chose the correct sub-account, opened contacts, selected the person you want to reach, composed a clear personalized message in the email tab, chose to send now or schedule, and sent it. Repeat the same process for any other contact you need to follow up.